Gauss Math Contest 2024, questions 1 to 10. Question number 1. When the 4 digits of 2024 are added, the result is, so we're going to add 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4, which would be 8. So the answer would be B. Next question. If n is equal to 5, the value of n plus 2 is, so since n is equal to 5, we're going to add 5 plus 2, which would be 7. So the answer is C. Question number 3. Which of the following shapes has a vertical line of symmetry? So A does not have a line of symmetry, B does not have a line of symmetry, C also doesn't have a line of symmetry, even D does not have a line of symmetry. E does have a line of symmetry, so the answer would be E. Next question. Students at Gauss Middle School were asked to choose their favorite school day. The results are shown in the circle graph. Which day was chosen exactly by 1/4 of the students? So we know that 1/4 is equal to 25%. So the only day that has a 25% would be Wednesday. So the answer would be C. Question number 5. So the question says, a square with side length 5 has an area of, so we know that in every square, all the sides are equal. So if this is 5, this is also 5. So that means the area would be 5 times 5, which would be 25. So the answer would be E. Question number 6. In the diagram, PQR is a straight angle. The value of x is, so we're going to add x with 146, which would be 180. So x is equal to, we bring the 146 the other side, which would be 180 minus 146. So x would be equal to 34. And that means the answer. Next question. Katie completed 2 laps of a track without stopping. The first lap took 3 minutes and 45 seconds, and the second lap took 4 minutes and 35 seconds. What was her total time? So let's write down both the times, which would be 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And 4 minutes and 35 seconds. So let's add both the seconds together, which would be 45 plus 35, which would be 80. And since there are 60 minutes and 1 minute, we're going to subtract 80 by 60, which would be 20. So that means we're going to add 1 more minute to this side. Now let's add the minutes up. 3 plus 4 plus 1, which would be equal to 8. So the answer is equal to 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So the answer would be D. Question number 8. The sequence of the 5 symbols repeats to form the pattern. If the pattern is continued, the 23rd symbol in the pattern is, so we're going to find how many 5s are in 23. That means we would be dividing it, which would be 4, and there would be a remainder. So 5 times 4 is 20. So for 20 to get to 23, we need to be adding 3. So we know that the 20th symbol would be a star since that's the 5th symbol. So we're going to move forward 3 times from starting from here. So this would be 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be C. Next question. Olivia cuts a 42 centimeter length of string into 2 centimeter pieces. Jeff cuts a 42 centimeter length of string into 3 centimeter pieces. How many more pieces of string does Olivia have than Jeff? So let's go with Olivia's first. So she has a 42 centimeter string and she cuts it into 2 centimeter pieces. So we're going to divide them. And the answer would be 21 centimeter pieces each. And now Jeff's, he also has a 42 centimeter length of string. And we're going to cut it into 3 this time. And the answer would be 14 centimeter pieces. So we're going to subtract 21 with 14 and the answer would be 7. So that means the answer is A. Question number 10. A number is randomly chosen from the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The probability that the chosen number is divisible by 2 or by 3 or both 2 and 3 is. So let's write down the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3, 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 3 and 2, 8 is divisible by 2, and 9 is divisible by 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer would be 6/9. So that means the answer is C.